Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I'd like to make a brief introduction. Mr. Vishal Khanna has over 17 years of experience across different industries and has managed a wide variety of portfolios. He has specialized in the area of managing talent and organization development. Recently, he was awarded and nominated to the top 50 most powerful HR professionals by World HRD Congress in Singapore, July 2010. He's also a member of advisory board and member of mentor board of PAI International Center for Management Excellence, a part of the Maharashtra Cosmopolitan Education Society. He has worked with reputed organizations like Welspun Group and CS Limited. So I request you to please come on stage and say something.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
You still look sleepy, I think.
No, sir.
Can you hear them?
Yeah. No.
Good evening.
Good evening.
That looks better. Okay. I think I'm not that big as what she tried to portray me on, right? I started from sales and I landed up into HR. I got into HR by default, or rather pushed and forced to get into HR. I've enjoyed my stint. What I'll say is, so that you can understand in the language that you talk every day, sales is my first wife, right? HR is my mistress, and both of them live very happily together.